StarTech TBC, StarTech photo shoot and recording of testimonial naman. Napakabilis lang ng lahat dahil ang galing ng production team. At para rin ako nag-fashion show kasi I had to wear different sets of clothes. So far, everything is going well this week. Super thanks to my StarTech family. Yay!
Yes, ito naman po ang photoshoot para sa StarTech, yung TV commercial na ginawa po natin yesterday. Yes. Pag mabilis, nag-e-enjoy talaga ako. Lahat kami enjoy. Napaka-guwapo, ever young. Forever young. Mr. Ronnie, Saktasyon, pakitan po ang camera.
Hi. Hindi siya mahirap ilawan actually. Si glows kasi, so parang basta wala siyang maling angulo din eh. So kaya okay sa katrabaho. Actually, we just wanted to capture Sarah in different moods eh. While talking on the phone. Iba siya when she's front of the camera eh. And nag-iiba rin siya pag tinatamaan siya ng ilaw. So, I mean, maganda na siya even behind the camera, pero lalo siya nagiging Sarah just when she's in front of the camera.
Parang bigla ako na low back. Nantok na ako, te. So, ayun po, bibihis na ako. Abangan niyo po itong next outfit ko ay may testimonial na naman po kami. Sana hindi ako nabubulol.
Nakapatong eh. Oo, nakapatong. Mami, di ba ganyan? Nakapatong? Nakapatong. Ah, talaga? Pero maganda siya nakapatong. Nakapatong, mami. Chika. Oo, may nakapatong malagay. Ano daw? Ano daw?
After there are like 6 layouts. We wanted Sarah kasi first in a casual look. Tapos bilang medyo formal.
Ito na po ang last na layout natin para sa photoshoot. Tapos, after po noon, ng mga shots ko, testimonial naman.
My heart is filled with so much love I feel for you. No words can say how much I love you so. And forever's not enough for me to love
This